about 70 to 80% of IT projects fail. That's a horrifyingly high number. But the reason 8 or 9 out of 10 fail, these are very general statistics, I know, is for two key reasons. The first one being a lack or poor quality business analysis. And that's pretty much unforgivable, right? And if projects were failing in the past, as we move into a world of agentic workforces and AI-driven everything, that failure rate is going to be equally high, if not higher, moving forward. So here's the thing. Nobody wants to spend time and money on business analysis. They think they already know how things work. Well, if this is the failure rate of IT projects, we know that that's not the case. You've got to do the homework. You've got to do your proper business analysis. You need business analysts. You probably need tools like process mining and task mining. You need a lot of little things. But here's the trick. It doesn't have to take months. It doesn't have to take years. And good business analysis will often reveal that actually you don't need new technology. Technology wasn't the problem in the first place, right? It's the way you were doing the job. It's the way you were doing the work. So never, ever skimp on business analysis. Again, it can be done so much faster these days than it ever could before. But if you're heading down the path of implementing a new platform, a new software product, you want to play around with AI, you want to have agents in your workforce, make sure you do the business analysis, really understand how things are working today, understand who the stakeholders are, what they do, what they want to measure, how they get challenged, how there are opportunities that are yet to be explored. Make sure you do that work first before you dive down the tech path.